What up, gang? I'm back. Double upload day. Same video, just different couple hours later, man. But I'm out here in the garage with this kit. About to get it installed. When I got my box Chevy hoodie on, it's time to go to work, man. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna get that in there, and then I'm gonna cut y'all back on. Okay, we back. A few hours later. Had to stop, get the kids, warm up a little bit. It's freezing. It's like 15 degrees out here right now. But I got it up. I got to put these last 2 screws in there. But my woman calling me to come in here and eat dinner, so I'm going to go ahead and eat. I had to do some shit myself, even though they gave me them bushings up there, but it's up there. Put these bolts on there, and there I'm going to go eat and come back out and put the bolts on that side and this side. So it's 4 more bolts, tighten them down, and it's up there. There we go. Appreciate y'all, man. That was just a short video. But give me y'all feedback, what you think, man. I'm going to put the part number in the description for y'all, too, if anybody need it for the 4080. But catch y'all on the next one. Peace.